Hi, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store with a glorious Knabe concert grand piano. The ultimate piano. So few American pianos are made anymore, and this was made in 1964. Better than that, just a few years ago, it was restrung, new set of hammers and other action parts, key bushings, front rail bushings. The piano looks gorgeous, plays like a dream. The plate has no corroding it. It's just a really, really well-preserved piano that's been well taken care of over the years. I'm going to play some music for you and tell you a little bit more about the piano. Let's just start off with some music, right squared off. We're going to listen to a little bit of Mozart, slow movement of his K332 F major sonata. Listen to the lyricism and the warmth of the tone. It's an interesting thing. We get so many offers for pianos from all over the country, and most oftentimes, if people have put new hammers or new strings, there are issues that make it so that, either we pass on the piano completely, or we have to rip out existing work. This work was done beautifully. The action weight is spot on. It's a pleasure to play. Everything, the string work was done really well with tight coils for tuning stability and all the rest of it. Of course, you want to hear the other side of the piano. That's the lyrical side, the beautiful singing, warm tone that Knabes are famous for. Knabe is on almost everybody's list of greatest American pianos of all time. Back when there were well over 1,000 companies, Knabe has always been on that very short list. Let's listen to how it opens up. Just a little bit of a middle section of a Chopin ballade. Here's his A-flat ballade, his third ballade, a little bit of a middle section. It shows a lot in a small amount of time for you. You know, it's an interesting thing. When you have a great concert grand with the classic American sound, you might be concerned that, well, yes, it'll physically fit in your home, but what about the sound? And I had an interesting experience years ago when I had a 5'8" grand piano, and then I put in a concert grand Baldwin in the same room and was worried that it would be too loud. And because the Baldwin, being a great American piano with a warm sound, it actually was nicer in the room than the smaller piano was. It was less harsh, believe it or not. So if you think you have the physical space for a piano like this, you might be surprised that the warm tone is richly rewarding and does not blow you out of the room. Quite the contrary, it fills the room with beautiful sound, and you can enjoy a high-level playing experience that only a concert grand can provide. Once again, I'm Robert Estner here at livingpianos.com. Hope you've enjoyed this, and there's lots more coming, so stay tuned to us, all right? See you next time.